guys, welcome back to another Jesse Plays Gaming Vlogs video, where today we will have lightning. We are in a full-out thunderstorm right now here. Woo!
You have a higher chance of dying in a car.
Woo! Listen to that thunder!
Guys.
Which it's somehow is still sunny out.
Throw me in the video.
Yo, you want to be in the video?
Yeah.
But look it around. Look, right there we have like a fully blue spot.
And over there.
Like how? And then look at this.
Why are you so shocked by a little bit?
Yo, let's go. Wow! Yo! Let's go! Jippa out. Lord, please. Thank you! Yeah! Let's go, let's back. Okay guys, as you just witnessed here on the JPG channel, we have a full out thunderstorm video coming up soon of this. But yeah, it's a full out thunderstorm. Someone's mowing their grass. Honestly, I would be mowing my grass as well. I'm not going that way because I made a failure. Like, look at this. Look at this puddle. We have a full-on thunderstorm here, boys. Yeah. Just want to give thanks. Lethbridge needed this rain. I'm not going to kid around with you. We needed rain. Like, we needed it so bad. Especially my family. We've basically had like a drought, you could say. Like, we gotten like bare minimum rain. I just saw a flash of lightning right there. Woo! It is day 2 with raining. Yeah, this puddle has gotten bigger. Oh, I don't want to step in it because I did that yesterday, but the puddle has definitely gotten bigger. And it is so close from going to the train. Yeah. 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 Cold. Cold. Come here to the bed. Let's keep going. My camera's getting so wet. Yo, puddles. Puddles. Oh my gosh. I gotta hide, I gotta hide, I gotta hide, I gotta hide. I gotta... Oh. I got a spiderweb on me. I'm protected for now. I ran around. I can't even see my screen. Let's go. 3, 2, 1, go. I made it. Okay, I gotta figure out something. 3, 2, 1. Go you! Hello guys, so in making this video, I realized a couple things. I have a day 1, a day 2, and a day 3, I'm pretty sure. I just finished doing it, so I should know. It's been raining for about 4 or 5 days, so just saying with that. We've been getting, it's not been like full on non-stop. It's had a couple breaks in between, but it's basically 4 or 5 days straight we've had rain, which is good for Lethbridge, like I said. And it just stopped today, so I'm praying that tomorrow, Wednesday, is the last day we get rain, because Thursday, today's Tuesday, Thursday and Friday, Thursday we have a barbecue for my school, I'm pretty sure, and Friday we go to Henderson Pool. So Thursday and Friday, I don't want there to be rain, but yeah, in making this video, it's now finished finally. I hope. Well, Wednesday might be day 5 or 6, so yeah. Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed this video. JPidge out!